You searched how to buy shares of Uber Technologies Inc., a company that runs global ride-hailing and delivery services listed on NASDAQ under the ticker Uber. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. We use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker Uber to find the listing. Choose the result that shows Uber Technologies Inc. to open the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the name Uber Technologies Inc. and the ticker Uber to ensure you have the right asset. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, the open position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.